Oof. Look at that. Oof. Oof. Imagine if that was your face. Yeah! 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 Alright, so what's poppin', everybody? It's your man, Chris Briggs, back again with another video. And as you guys already know, we are back again with another banger, you feel what I'm saying? Now, listen, you guys already see what it is, bro. You see what it is, you see what it is, you see what it is. I understand, bro. I was supposed to get this unboxing to you guys a bit earlier, but your boy has been working, and I have been trying to give you guys, you know what I'm saying, videos every single day. And I have been posting videos on my vlog channel. But when it comes to this video, I have a brand new sneaker unboxing, one that I have been waiting to unbox for a little minute. This has been sitting here for like a cool 3-4 days, and I'm just ready to get all up into it. But before we get into this video, the socials, meaning the Instagram and the Twitter, is going to be at I'm Chris Briggs and at I'm Chris Briggs too. Go ahead and check that out. Give me a quick little follow over there, and I will give you a quick little follow back also. But without further ado, man, I got my buddy. I got my buddy. I got my buddy. This hoe did cut me. You did cut me. So I don't think you're that cool. But without further ado, let's go ahead and get right into this quick little unboxing. Ooh. 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 Look at that. Ooh. Ooh. Imagine if that was your face. See how quick that was? You see how surgical that was? Imagine if that was your face, bro. Look at this. Ooh. This took no effort. No effort. No effort. No effort. Thank you. I appreciate you. Again, my buddy. I appreciate you. Now, as you guys can see, bro, we are already done. Now we are going to do a quick little countdown like we always do. Now, without further ado, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so you guys can see it's a Jordan box, but I did open the box the wrong way. Yeah! Yeah, 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 yeah. You feel me? Another Jordan box. Bro, I'm going a little crazy. Listen, y'all better, y'all need to, if you see me spending too much, you need to be like, yo, Chris, bro. Calm down, bro. Check your bank account or something, bro. As you guys can see, bro, we have another Jordan box right here. And without further ado, the sneaker that I picked up for today, you guys might already know it, but it is the Air Jordan 5 Top 3. Yes. Yep. Yup. The sneaker that I picked up was the Air Jordan 5 Top 3. Now, the one thing that I will say is that I doubled up on the pairs, bro. I had to double up. I had to. Now, I'm still working on the Air Jordan 5 Top 3 review. I'm going to get the review and on foot out too. I also got to get the Air 6s out too. Don't worry, I'm still working on that, bro. I just have a lot of stuff I have to do. But I love this sneaker. You know, I wore this sneaker once, and one thing that I will say is that it is probably the most comfortable Air Jordan 5 that I've ever put on my feet by far. Hold on a minute. Just in case you guys thought I was faking, you feel me? No, I definitely doubled up. I for sure doubled up. I'm not joking. I doubled up, bro. Like I said, one of the most comfortable Air Jordans I've ever put on my feet, bro. I wore these all day the one time I wore them, and it was just, the comfort level was just immaculate. It was just all the way there. It was just amazing. You feel what I'm saying? Now, you know, honestly, when it comes to the sneaker and throwing it on feet, I loved how it looked. I also loved how different the grape tongue looked for the sneaker too. It was just a different look that everybody just wasn't interested in. But one thing that I will say is that while I wore the shoe on my feet, all the people that didn't like the shoe started to end up liking the shoe because they actually saw how it could look, you know what I'm saying, on the foot. So I love this shoe. One thing that I will say though, again, when it comes to the Air Jordan 5 Top 3, this sneaker sat. It surprisingly sat. I thought it was going to sell out, but no, it sat. If you wanted your size, it was pretty easy to get. You was either sleep under a rock, you feel me? You probably dug to China and tried to dig back, and you was not focused on anything sneaker related at all. Because if you wanted this shoe, you could have gotten this shoe. I honestly feel like you can still get sizes for this shoe too. And I honestly feel like on StockX, bro, like the sizes are almost like below retail. This sneaker costs $200, so with tax it would be like $214. On StockX, I believe the prices are like $220 right now. So if you want the sneaker, you might as well get it now before all sizes sell out and you have to pay all that extra price for them, you feel me? But when it comes to one of my favorite pickups for 2020, I'm gonna have to say that it is the Air Jordan 5 Top 3. I love the sneaker so much that I picked up 2 pairs of them things. I think the only other shoe that I picked up 2 pairs of was like the DMP 6, you feel me? But I don't even think I have those anymore, you feel me? This shoe right here, I love them. Fire. I love that black nubuck going all around the shoe, bro. I love the red on that midsole. I also love that red 23, and then how it's just hit off with that Nike Air on the back. That is just a super awesome look. You just can't go wrong with it. But when it comes to the Air Jordan 5 Top 3, what are you guys' honest opinion about the shoe? Do you guys think that it is dope or trash? Did you guys pass on the shoe? Do you want to cop it eventually, or are you just gonna pass on it completely? Let me know in the comment section down below. But without further ado, as you guys already know, I got more videos coming soon, more bangers coming soon. And just like on this channel, I'm dropping videos frequently. I'm also dropping videos frequently on my vlog channel too, Chris Briggs Vlogs. I jumped into a 25-foot deep river, or whatever you want to call it. 25-foot deep. I jumped right in there. No life jacket, no nothing. I don't know how to swim. And I got it all on camera. I got the whole adventure on camera. So if you want to check out my vlog channel, Chris Briggs Vlogs, the link will be in the description box down below. Thank you guys for watching as always. I love y'all, and all I have to say is, hey, blessings, 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 and follow your dreams, bro. Work hard. Anything that you want to do in this life, you could do. You feel me? Don't let anybody tell you that you can't do it. Don't let anybody take advantage of your time. You are you. You are special. You are dope the way you are, and I love you. Chris Briggs, love you. Like, all I'm gonna say is this, bro. Like, to be completely honest, bro. If nobody ever tells you that you could do whatever you want to do, or like you can achieve any dream that you have in mind, I feel it for you. I feel that way for you. I feel like you can achieve anything, no matter what. Thank y'all for watching as always. I appreciate all the love and support. And all I have to say is, hey, blessings, blessings, blessings. And Chris Briggs, signing out. Y'all be easy. Y'all be safe. Y'all take care. Yeah!